shoot for. The millennials are going to be the fastest growing, most educated, most entrepreneurial generation we've ever had in this country, and we don't want them on the outside looking in. We've got to get them into the system in some way.
I want to bring in, actually, by interrupts, I want to bring in Kellyanne Conway, campaign manager for Donald Trump. She joins us from Trump Tower. Kellyanne, great to see you.
Hi, Lester.
Tell me what it's like now. You have done everything you can do. Now you, like the rest of the country, are waiting. What is it like? What are you seeing in the numbers so far?
Well, it's high energy here. I just was with Mr. Trump on my way down here. He's watching the returns, and we have a whole digital and data war room, not atypical, where we're getting many different inputs from all across the country and trying to piece together our 270. We feel really good about the fact that we've kept this race very competitive with a political veteran who has many advantages and a ton more money than we do. And I just think that the